Well, it's a beautiful day in Glacier National Park. We are unfortunately headed out, though. We are going to Lewis and Clark Caverns State Park in Montana. It's kind of on our path back. We've been there before, actually. We were just there about 1.5 years ago. But it's a lovely park and we love going there. It's kind of a good distance for us to travel, about 4.5 hours travel day today. So a little longer travel, but we've traveled this way before and not too bad of a drive. So otherwise, we're just gonna have breakfast and then we'll kind of head out.
Bye, mountains. Getting ready to go hiking.
Little FYI about the road coming into and leaving Two Medicine Campground. It's actually pretty bumpy, and they come up out of nowhere. The speed limit says 45 miles per hour, but you probably don't want to go 45 miles per hour. and there's no warning on some of those bumps, so if you're not careful you could bottom out or something. So anyways, I'm going 30 and that's almost too fast for some sections. So if this site looks familiar, it's because on our last Idaho trip, we stayed in the same exact spot and happened to be available again. I like this spot. It's right on the very end, on the outer circle. Got this beautiful tree and we got the mountains in the background. There's no hookups on this loop, but I think there's electricity in the loop over there. We actually had the option of getting electricity, but I just like this site.
Are all sites like you have to reserve ahead?
Yeah, you have to reserve on the website ahead of time. So this campground always makes it to our top list of favorite campgrounds. I think it kind of fits all the things that we're looking for. Talked about this before. It's super quiet here, yeah. Especially at night. Even that highway out there is like a car rarely passes by. So it's super quiet overnight. And then all the space between sites. It's boondocking. There's no electricity, but you've got actually a wide open. So if you're into Starlink or satellite TV or whatever, you should be able to use that here pretty easily. And then obviously with the mountains around here, and then there's a lot of hiking right from the trail, or right from the campground.
Yes. There's
hiking right from the campground, which we haven't done a lot of. And then of course you've got the Caverns, which is up the road. So if you want to do a little bit of a tour of the caves, that was very interesting. We did that a couple of years, or back in 2017 actually.
Yeah, it was very cool when we did it though.
Good morning from Lewis and Clark Caverns State Park. It's a cold one out there. It's cold and blustery.
Very cold.
But it is beautiful. So the plan today is to head to Glendive. There's a state park. I just forgot the name of it. There's a state park in Glendive that we haven't visited yet, so we're going to spend the night there. The only problem is it's a little bit of a long drive, so got about 6 hours of driving today. So a little bit more than I like to do, but we'll see how it goes. Makoshika State Park in Montana, Glendive, Montana. I think I finally got the pronunciation. Makoshika. It's known for dinosaurs, and it means Badlands. So it should be an interesting scenery, I think. So Just got to get our stuff put together and then we'll be on our way. So we just made it to
Makoshika.
Makoshika State Park here in eastern Montana, near Glendive, Montana. And we had made a reservation here for the trip home and we got a spot. You do that online through reserve.gov, whatever that website is. Beautiful campground, beautiful scenery.
Yeah.
Sites are kind of close together, but that's okay. It's beautiful.
Change of weather, it's much warmer. It's like 82, I think it is here.
Hello.
Hello.
Made it back. Just doing an evening walk here after supper.
Yep. We just talked with your dad on the phone, which is kind of cool, thanks to
Starlink.
Starlink.
Yeah, cell coverage is not really good here. We have AT&T and you have one bar and every now and then you get notifications, but you can't really do anything with it.
You can't get the you can get the notification but not find out anything about it.
So just enough to that you don't want to find out more. But
Hopefully not worry if you have to get a hold of anyone.
we probably won't show up on the video, but there's a disc golf or a frisbee golf, disc golf, I guess, course on the other side here. It looks like it's a full 18 course. And it looks pretty challenging. There's like some of the holes are down below and some are up on top. Like this one's up on top here. Pretty cool. It's a bat house. Got a couple of structures here. One right there, one right there. Makoshika State Park. I'm going to say it 10 times so we get it right.
Yeah.
Good morning. It's a leisurely morning here at Makoshika State Park. Clouds came in. Sun was up this morning. A beautiful sunrise. And the temperature was perfect for sleeping. We left the windows open. It was super quiet in this campground. Not a lot of campsites, probably 9 on this side and about the same on that other loop. But it was super quiet, no traffic or anything in the area, so that made it very nice for sleeping.
Yeah. The sites are a little bit closer than I think we've seen in other state parks, but
Yeah.
but it was still very quiet and very nice.
Today's kind of one of our last days on the way home. We're gonna stay at the Bismarck KOA tonight, so we're just kind of doing a real leisurely morning. Checkout isn't until 1 o'clock for this campground, and then we're gonna head on to Bismarck and then home.
Yeah.
So it's been an amazing trip. I think highlights for me were Juniper Campground, 2 Medicine at Glacier, of course, was incredible. Lewis and Clark Caverns, and then this campground too was pretty great. But I think I'd like to probably include Juniper, 2 Medicine, and Lewis and Clark as some of our top campgrounds.
Yeah.
There's a couple more that I can think of in Utah that were pretty incredible. Some on the North Shore of Minnesota, Lake Superior, they're pretty incredible. Maybe we should make a video of our top favorite campgrounds, because I think we hit 3 of them on this trip.
Let us know in the comments if you want us to do that.
So anyways, thanks for watching our video, and we'll see you in the next one. Alright, here we are at the Bismarck KOA. Linda's got a whole project going. Finishing up a baby blanket.
Yeah.
And it's looking beautiful.
I just did a straight edge on a ripple blanket, and I'm very excited because that's the first time I've done that. So
That looks very nice.
I followed a tutorial. I should give a shout out to Bella Coco.
Alright, nice.